What's going on, everybody? It's Kamdorian. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a special guest. We got a special Tesla. That's my Tesla. That's a Tesla brother over here. We got Mr. Amish.
That's right.
The owner of this beautiful Tesla. Today we're gonna be doing some cleanup, I guess, repair of the paint here. So you can see it kind of got scuffed a little bit. Kind of like some kind of rubber coating from what was like a tire or something, right? On this side, the passenger side, and the driver's side, you can tell that's definitely a little bit worse. So we're gonna go through the process of cleaning some of that off, making it look almost new again. And yeah, let's get into it. For this fixing job, we're using Turtle Wax Rubbing Compound Heavy Duty Cleaner. It removes stains, stubborn stains, heavy duty oxidation, blah, blah, blah. Essentially, it has some abrasive materials in it, so it's gonna get that rubber residue right off. Essentially, we're gonna apply it to these microfiber towels. We're gonna buff it in lightly, because this stuff has abrasive particles in it, so it could scratch your paint, your clear coat, and even take off your paint if you scrub it too hard. So we're gonna just do it lightly at first, see how it goes. It looks kind of like clay. So let's see how it goes.
Let's start with a little bit.
Start with a little bit. Oh wow, it looks like it already worked, right?
Yeah. I think the water will tell.
Yeah, so what happened is that rubber or whatever from the tire that hit you, it obviously transferred onto your paint, and then it just kind of got stuck on there. So essentially we're just trying to scrub it off of the paint or the clear coat with this product. Seems to be working so far. And now if there are deeper scratches that go through the clear coat and the paint, then obviously this isn't going to remove that, because those kind of scratches require major correction and actual possibly painting it again or touching it up with a touch-up pen, that kind of thing.
Should I apply more?
Oh wow, it's so smooth now. I guess maybe just a little bit, yeah. Like up here, I don't know, I felt like there was a little bit. And like those scratches down there, you probably won't be able to get those like this, right? This is like, looks like maybe a scratch.
Yeah. Might have to get a different product for actual scratch removers.
Yeah, actually it does actually almost like get rid of it. So that's like probably a scratch in your clear coat. That's why it's not really coming off. Oh, right here, yeah, do some right here. I see some grayness. Alright, so now we're taking a clean cloth and just getting all the product off, checking it out. How does it look? It looks pretty good to me. So it looks like it's all pretty gone. Shiny, shiny.
If you see it from here, there's still some.
Yeah, I mean those scratches are still there a little bit, but like I said, I don't think you're gonna be able to get that out with this. That's like invasive surgery style stuff. Surgery on the clear coat. Don't rub it too much now. Rub a dub dub. Oh, we got another special guest over here. Dr. Patel in the house. We got a special guest in the house.
What's up, bud?
Dr. Patel, special guest. What's up, what's up? We're doing some Tesla surgery over here. Oh, we're getting splashed. Splash zone. Alright, now we're basically rinsing off the product. We're gonna clean it off with a clean towel now. And then we're gonna move to the really bad side. And you guys can just see that. It's like a big circle. that like circle of rubber damage.
How'd you do this?
He got hit by a truck, right?
Yeah. You got hit by a truck? Yeah. It's really like I like it.
All right, so this is the bad side. We wiped it down with water. Now we're gonna get the product on there and scrub a dub. Oh yeah, it's working, I think. I think this side's gonna need a little bit more than the other one, right?
Yeah.
A little more scrubby dubby.
I mean, it's definitely coming off.
Yeah, it definitely is, yeah. You can see it in the towel. It's like much deeper in there, right?
Yeah. I mean, every time I use a new area, it turns all black, so it's clearly working.
Yeah.
It's taking something off.
So it is definitely working, folks. The front looks a lot better. You see right there, still a little bit left. This side is just a little bit more stubborn. Needs a little bit more elbow grease. Mr. Amish over here giving his Tesla baby the love that it needs.
See that?
A few moments later, and we're looking pretty good. This whole area is pretty clean. It used to be all black. This area had a huge chunk. It's pretty much gone. This bottom area still needs a little work, but it's getting there. This turtle wax product definitely works, and it's still very smooth here. It's not rough, so it looks like it's not damaging the clear coat. We got another special guest here, Courageous Creator, out here. All right, after much elbow grease by Mr. Amish over here, it is looking almost brand new.
We still gotta get the bottom part, but now we're gonna start on that.
Yeah, still right there.
Dude, it is all gone.
But now it's pretty much gone. Completely over here. Like it never even happened.
What is that? What is that?
That's time mark.
Look, Courageous Creator here investigating.
But what is this?
That
That broke?
is the only part that I'm like,
Yeah, like the
Worried
entire fiberglass of the bumper is like
somehow we gotta like
came out,
get somebody to
hammer it in or something.
Yeah.
But I thought that the way they fix this is like you have to heat it and then push it in.
I don't know. That'll be the next video. So it is pretty much done. Fully cleaned off. Looks pretty much brand new. Mr. Amish over here has been scrubbing his life away. Doing the final
That's just completely gone.
finishing touches. This is like your new favorite product, isn't it? You're gonna use it all over your car.
I would like to never use this product, even though it's good.
All right, so this is the final product. Everything is clean. The product works. Turtle wax. So passenger side. Mr. Amish is over here doing some surgery. This side is very clean now. Looks like it never even happened. So this is the product again, Turtle Wax, rubbing compound heavy duty cleaner. Make sure you get some microfiber towels to do it with. So that's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button, give it a nice thumbs up. Also consider subscribing, help my channel grow. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.